Welcome students. Let us discuss the factors affecting the reaction rate. First one is nature and state of the reactant, concentration of the reactant, surface area of the reactant, temperature of the reaction. The last one is presence of catalyst. Let us discuss one by one. The first one is nature of the reactant. We know that chemical reactions involving breaking of certain existing bonds and formation of new bonds which lead to the product. We have many reactions like ionic reactions, neutralization reactions, redox reactions and so on. Some reaction takes place in fast rate, some reaction takes place in slow rate. Let us consider these two redox reaction. First one is a reaction between ferrous ammonium sulfate and KMnO4, and another one is reaction between oxalic acid and KMnO4. Here the oxidation of oxalate ion by KMnO4 relatively slow. Here it is slow compared to the reaction between ferrous ammonium sulfate and KMnO4. So even though both the reactions are redox reaction, depending upon the nature of the reactant which we have taken, the rate of the reaction varies. And another one is physical state of the reactant also plays an important role. For example, if the reactant species in gaseous space, the reactions are faster compared to the reactions involving solid or liquid reactant. Example, when the reaction between sodium metal with iodine vapor is faster when the reaction between the sodium and iodine both are as a solid state. Here the reaction takes place in slow rate, but here when iodine is taken as the vapor, the reaction takes place in fast manner. So physical state of the reactant molecules also play an important role here. Another example, the reaction between potassium iodide and lead nitrate. If both the reagents are colorless solution, then the reaction takes place instantaneously. That means yellow precipitate is formed instantaneously. But the potassium iodide or lead nitrate, if it is taken in the solid state, means yellow coloration obtained slowly. So these examples says that the reaction physical state of the reactant molecules also plays a very important role in the rate of the reaction. Another point is concentration of the reactant molecule. Increase in the concentration of the reactant. If the concentration of the reactant molecule increases, rate of the reaction also increases. Concentration of the reactant molecule increases means rate of the chemical reaction also increases. The effect of concentration is explained on the basis of collision theory. According to this collision theory, the rate of the reaction depends upon the number of collision takes place between the reacting molecule. If the concentration increases means more number of collisions takes place, and so that the rate of the reaction is increases. Observe carefully. I explain once again. Concentration of the reactant molecule is increases means rate of the reaction also increases, because when higher concentration, greater number of collision is possible. Greater number of collisions possible. So the collision is increases means the rate of the reaction also increases. Next one is surface area of the reactant. Surface area of the reactant also plays an important role in deciding the rate of the reaction. When the particle size decreases, surface area increases. If the surface area is increases means here it leads to the more number of collision per liter and per second, and rate of the reaction is increases. For example, consider the reaction between calcium carbonate and dilute HCl. The calcium carbonate is taken as the powdered calcium carbonate. When it is reacted with the dilute HCl, here the reaction takes place is much faster when compared to the same calcium carbonate taken as the solid as marble. Calcium carbonate, that is marble, that means solid. The same calcium carbonate, if it is taken as the solid material as marble, when it is treated with the dilute HCl, here the reaction is slow compared to the previous one. So surface area of the reactant molecule also plays an important role. Next one is temperature. When the temperature increases, rate of the reaction also increases. This can be explained based on the kinetic theory. When the temperature is increases means it leads to the increase the kinetic energy, so more number of collisions takes place. The more number of collision takes place means it leads to the increase in the rate of the reaction. So reaction rate increases. So temperature also plays an important role in the rate of the reactions. Temperature increases means more number of collision is possible. If more number of collision takes place means the rate of the reaction also increases. The last one is presence of catalyst. A catalyst is a substance which alters the rate of the reaction without undergoing any permanent change. This is as per collision theory. The reactant molecules should cross the energy barrier, then only it form the product. So the minimum amount possessed by the reactant molecule to cross this energy barrier is known as activation energy. Now if the reaction takes place without any catalyst, it needs to high energy so that it can cross the energy barrier. But in presence of catalyst, the energy of activation is lower, and hence more number of molecules can cross the energy barrier and gives the product. So when the catalyst is present means energy of activation is lowered and more number of molecules can cross the energy barrier and leads to the product. So effect of catalyst plays an important role in the rate of the reaction. When the catalyst is present means it's lower the activation energy so that more number of molecules can cross the energy barrier and leads to the formation of product. Thank you.